That's right.
Doesn't move now, mate. Look at that. Fuck all. Fuck all.
G'day guys. This 4G 75 was 6G 75 3.8 Mitsubishi. It's a design that carries across from previous generations. I think this car's been running now with this engine from till today.
Same problem on the 3.5.
And the same problems on the 3.5. You will see a lot about it on the internet, from the water pump leaking from the back housing. Once again, I've managed to start the video when the job is done, because I'm not into making videos I don't have the resources to make the video for how to do the job, but what we do give you is very helpful tips.
Steel gasket.
Now, this steel gasket is known to be reused by people because it's metal. The long and the short of it is, get a genuine pump with the backing on it. Research the job before you do it. Have a read on the internet about the people that have had the pump failures, the pumps leaking from here. Where's my finger? Sorry, Phil, where's it? I can't film and do that. There it is there. Mm-hmm. So just point to where we had a leak. Now,
in here. So that housing there.
That housing there.
Yep.
Okay, you can see the blue hylomar that we always use there, but what's happened is that despite getting all new gaskets, we've had a leak from the gasket that Phil just showed in the video. Despite on the internet, the common theme being that the felt type gasket leaks on the back housing. So Mitsubishi only sell a complete pump for that reason. They know very well that to align the O-ring, these bolts, these larger bolts, and this top inlet housing all at once and push it onto the heater hose in the back of the valley requires a lot of movement and adjustment and skill. Do yourself a favor, get the genuine. If you're a DIY or if you're a mechanic or if you're anyone, get the genuine pump, front and rear, and be done with it that way, because the risk is too high. Also, what this video is about is make sure you pressure test the system, which we very rarely do on other cars when we do a cam belt or water pump. Make sure you pressure test the system before reassembling the timing belt. In the previous video, we've talked about the tensioner that has 2 adjustments on it, and I hope that will help someone, particularly in the motor industry, to avoid a problem. The gaskets in Australia are not available at the moment, genuine. They're on back order, which is a common theme for some reason with the dealers. And that's that. So in summary, get the genuine pump with the backing on it, because you're going to disturb the large gasket at the back over here. Yep. At the back, but we had it leak from the other place at the top.
Housing, even though you don't undo the bolts, replace that gasket anyway.
Even though you don't undo the bolts, replace that gasket anyway. Okay. Hope that helps, bye.